there! Welcome to Easy English with me. Let's make learning English fun and simple.
Feel, touch, fetch, feel, touch, fetch, mend, fight, finish, mend, fight, finish, find, look, fix, find, look, fix, follow, forget, get, follow, forget, get, forgive, promise, frown, forgive, promise, frown, grow, give, take, grow, give, take, glance, go, grab, glance, go, grab, knock, greet, grin, knock, greet, grin, soak, groan, yell, soak, groan, yell, guess, happen, guide, guess, happen, guide, have, harvest, hate, have, harvest, hate, like, hide, hope, like, hide, hope, hurry, wonder, hug, hurry, wonder, hug, hunt, fish, imagine, hunt, fish, imagine, improve, fail, support, improve, fail, support, donate, change, chase, check, donate, change, chase, check, test, chew, test, chew, catch, pull, celebrate, catch, pull, celebrate.